Hi guys, what are we going to do today? Today we are going to embellish fun cards and tags. We're going to crochet on them. Let's get started. Now if you don't know anything about crochet, you might want to look up a few stitches. So you want to find a cute card or a tag. One of my sweet friends had sent me these cute tags, and I'm putting a heavier cardstock behind it because I want it to be nice and heavy. And I am just going to glue this onto there so it's just a little heavier. Anything you're going to be able to punch or cut through you can use. You just want it to be heavy enough that you don't rip your tag or your card. I know I need it big enough that my needle, my crochet hook, can get through here. And depending on the fiber you're going to use is the size crochet hook you're going to use. Now I happen to have this nice punch, and it does this nice little slit, and that's what you're going to want. You're going to want a little slit, and you're going to want to leave about at least a ½ inch from each end. I'm just using one of my fun fibers I have, but you can use any type of yarn, crochet, thread, I mean anything you would like to use, or if you even have thin enough strips of fabric. So first what I'm going to do is just make my loop. Now if you don't know anything about crochet, you might want to look up a few stitches. So what I did is I started from the back, and I am going to bring this loop up. The little knot end is going to be in the back. And I'm just going to attach it. I just have it attached now. So what I'm going to do is a single crochet, which I hook in the back, bring it up, and go through. I'm going to do a 1 1/2, which I go over, under, grab my thread, bring it up, and go all through all 3 of these. And I'm going to do a double. Wrap around, bring it up, wrap around, go under 2, wrap around, go under 2. Now I'm going to do a 1 1/2 again. Wrap around, bring it through, wrap around, go through all 3, and then we're going to do a single. So I'm doing a single, 1 1/2, 2, 1 1/2, single. So you're having a cute little scallop here. Go under, bring it up, wrap around, go through these. Now, I'm going to start over again. So I'm going to start with my single again and do the same thing. So now I am going to try to slide this down carefully. If my paper is really, really thin, what I did is I put a piece of packing tape across here and folded it in the back. But you can also do that before you punch your hole, and then it gives it a little extra stability. So when I get to the end, I brought this to the back, and I am just going to go through one of my stitches down here. Wrap around. Bring that up. Bring this through and knot it. So I tied this here, and I'm going to trim my ends. And there you go. So I hope you thought this was easy. If you don't crochet, you definitely want to pull up a fun little YouTube video on basic crocheting. If you're doing a bigger space, the packing tape does help. You can see on these, I just folded it over the front and onto the back, then punched my hole, and it makes it just a tad bit sturdier. But these were just some of the other fun ones that we had done. But you can see how this just adds a little extra dimension to any card or tag you have. Hope you try it out, and thanks!